Hi, welcome to the course STM32 Internet of Things with 4G LTE modem. This is Piyush Charpe and I am your instructor for this course. So this course is not just a PCB design course, but it's a detailed hardware design course. So if you want to learn hardware designing and if you want to make your career in embedded hardware field, then this course is the best course for you. So in this course, you will learn the detailed procedure of how to design an IoT based system using STM32 microcontroller and Simcom's 4G LTE GSM modem. And I have designed this course considering the rising demand of IoT devices in the industry. After that, the hardware that we are going to design is mainly divided in three different sections. The first one is power supply section, then the second one is STM32 microcontroller section, and then the third one is 4G LTE modem section. And if you want to know in more detail that what you are going to learn in these sections, then you can check the course content. Now let me tell you how these sections are structured. Every section of this course is structured in this format. First of all, I will give you the brief introduction to that section and we will see what are the topics that we are going to learn in that section. Later, I will walk you through the data sheet of components present in that section, and there we will try to understand the different specifications of that component. After that, I will give you the detailed explanation of circuitry and we will see the significance of each and every components used. Later, we will see the different parameters for selecting the components and I will show you how to select a specific component out of thousands of components available online. After that, I will show you how to create schematic for that section, and once we are done with the schematic, later I will show you the detailed layout design process, and here we will see the different guidelines that we need to follow while creating the layout. So once we are done with the layout, later we will do the soldering of that section, and after completing the soldering process, we will see how to test the hardware and how to troubleshoot the problems in that hardware. And once our hardware is ready, later I will discuss the mistakes that you should avoid while dealing with that particular part of hardware. So this is how we are going to cover all the sections of this course. And as a professional hardware design engineer, you have to go through this process while working on a hardware based product. So at the end of this course, you will be able to connect any system to internet using GSM modem, and you will be able to design your custom hardware for an IoT based application. After that, as an embedded system developer, I have been in this field for a long time now, and I very well know how much an IoT based devices are in demand these days. So after completing this course, I can assure you, you will be very much confident with the electronics and hardware design. And every single thing that you will learn in this course will for sure help you in your professional life. After that, this course is designed for everyone who wants to learn hardware design, whether it's beginner, hobbyist or a working professional. So after completing this course, you will get a course certificate which you can proudly put on your resume. So subscribe this course and join me in the world of hardware designing, and I will see you inside this course. Thank you for watching.